there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. So I wanted to follow up with you guys regarding the Nature Choice hair supplements or vitamins that I've been taking to help promote healthy hair growth. So FYI, this is pre-recorded, you guys. So this is not in real time. I've been taking these supplements since early February, maybe late January. If you're new tuning in, welcome. Please join this Tube Nation by subscribing, hitting that bell's notification, and support me and give this video a big thumbs up. So you guys, there is some hair growth happening here. So I'm very pleased with how far I have come, you guys. So just a little bit about the Nature's Choice hair vitamins. It consists of biotin, vitamin A, etc. That's the supplement facts. And I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next update. Smooches.